Frustrated that your Tesla app only shows charging in kilowatts instead of miles per hour? You're not alone. The app displays kilowatt, energy added in kilowatt hour, and time to full charge, but there are ways to get MPH estimates. This video explains why Tesla uses kilowatts for accuracy and safety, and how you can estimate MPH through workarounds. Here's what the Tesla app typically shows during charging: kilowatt rate, battery level, and time remaining. Tesla leads in charging speeds, but the app prioritizes technical kilowatt measurements over user-friendly MPH displays. As Tesla's supercharger network grows, understanding charging metrics becomes even more important. Tesla vehicles use two main types of charging: DC fast charging at superchargers and AC charging at home or work. DC charging provides high power directly to the battery, while AC charging converts alternating current to direct current through the vehicle's onboard charger. The charging process differs between AC and DC. With AC charging, power flows from the utility through a charger and the vehicle's onboard converter before reaching the battery. DC charging bypasses the onboard charger, delivering power more efficiently for faster charging. The Tesla app displays charging power in kilowatts or kilowatts. This shows the raw power draw from the charger. For example, a supercharger might deliver 150 kilowatts, while home charging might be limited to 11 kilowatts or less, depending on your setup. Miles per hour, or MPH, of charging is calculated from kilowatt by factoring in your vehicle's energy efficiency. Efficiency varies by model. For example, a Model 3 might get about 3.5 miles per kilowatt hour, while a Model Y could get around 4 miles per kilowatt hour. The formula is simple: MPH equals miles per kilowatt hour. Here's an example during supercharging. At 100 kilowatts on a Model Y with 4 miles per kilowatt hour efficiency, you'd gain about 400 miles per hour. The charging graph shows how power decreases as the battery fills, affecting the MPH rate. To convert kilowatt to MPH, simply multiply the power draw by your vehicle's efficiency rating. This gives you the charging speed in miles per hour, helping you plan your trips more effectively. To calculate an estimated MPH from your Tesla's charge rate, use this simple formula: miles per hour equals charge rate in kilowatt multiplied by your vehicle's efficiency in miles per kilowatt hour. You can find your Tesla's efficiency in the car's Energy app or by using Tesla's Trip Planner online tool. For example, if you're charging at 100 kilowatts and your Model 3 has an efficiency of 2.5 miles per kilowatt hour, the calculation is 100 times 2.5 equals 250, giving you an approximate 250 mAh per hour charge rate. Keep in mind this is an estimate and can be affected by factors like weather conditions. The simplest workaround is manual calculation. First, open your Tesla app and navigate to the charge screen to see the current charging rate in kilowatts. Next, access your Tesla's built-in Energy app on the car's touchscreen to find your vehicle's efficiency rating in miles per kilowatt hour. Now multiply the kilowatt rate by your efficiency to get an approximation of miles per hour. For example, at 100 kilowatts, with 3.2 miles per kilowatt hour efficiency, you'd get about 320 miles per hour of charging. Sometimes the Tesla app freezes or displays incorrect charging information, like showing 0 kilowatts instead of the actual charge rate. This often happens due to connectivity glitches between the app and your vehicle's infotainment system. To fix this, try resetting the app data. Navigate to the app settings, go to Account, and select Reset App Data. This clears cached information that might be causing the freeze. Alternatively, you can simply force close the app and reopen it. On most devices, swipe up or use the app switcher to close it completely, then launch it again. According to user reports, this workaround resolves display freezes in about 60% of cases. For the best results, make sure your car has a stable internet connection, either through Wi-Fi or cellular data. The Tesla app relies on real-time data from your vehicle's systems to display charging information accurately. This data includes charge rates and battery status. To ensure proper synchronization, make sure your Tesla is connected to Wi-Fi or has a strong cellular signal. Check the vehicle's infotainment screen for connection status. If you're still experiencing display issues, try restarting your car's infotainment system. Hold down both scroll wheel buttons on the steering wheel simultaneously for 5 seconds. This often resolves connectivity glitches that prevent accurate data from displaying in the app.